machiegni kendo. Jang'ad bura Monica Kivuti manochiel maginebe ma Nairobi samane oyalo bura e doma Makadara oike dalane mantiere kar chung' od bura ma Yataa kaonti ma Machakos. Kanolose nyasi mar ik mare jalup jang'ad bura maduong' Philomena Mwilu owacho ni nek mar jotije doho nyaka rum kendo omedo yango ni nitiere ji mathoth mosetemo nego apisas mag doho. Jogo mane oloso bende e ikno okwayo mondo arita kwe oridi e do duto mapacho ka.
One honorable Monica
in this darkest hour. God bless.
Around you, or what you have.
He will bring you up again.
It doesn't matter. For me, it does not. That Monica was discharging her constitutional mandate from attend. Her life should not have been taken away while she was doing her work, or indeed anywhere else.
The Kenyan judiciary does not need tokenism. Please. They just have to get what they have to get to make this country better.
We have a problem of mental health. Some of these, I don't know, citizens, Kenyan citizens, if you go to some of these rehabilitation centers in Nairobi and all over the country, you will find them there. What is the government doing about this, our people with mental